What is presale cleaning and why is it important when selling a home?
Presale cleaning, also known as pre-sale house cleaning or real estate cleaning, is a deep top-to-bottom clean that prepares your home for sale by making it look immaculate for photos, open inspections, and private viewings. Unlike regular house cleaning, presale cleaning is designed to highlight your property's best features, remove visible signs of wear and tear, and make buyers fall in love the moment they walk in. When you're selling a home, first impressions can add tens of thousands to your sale price. Buyers judge a home emotionally within seconds, and a professionally cleaned property instantly feels brighter, larger, and more luxurious. It signals to buyers that the home has been well cared for and helps them visualize moving in without the mental to-do list of cleaning, fixing, or scrubbing. At Clean House Melbourne, we treat every pre-sale clean like a real estate campaign, not just a tidy up. Our experienced team goes beyond the surface, eliminating dust, grime, odors, and clutter in all the right places, so your home photographs beautifully and presents like a 5-star listing. Ideal for owner-occupiers, investors, real estate agents, stylists, and homeowners looking to maximize sale value with professional preparation.